I gotta.
Ooh. Have you got the sniffles?
Yeah.
Oh, well, that's okay. Just, do you need some tea or something?
Maybe. But do you have a tissue?
Ooh, I don't see one.
Okay, that's fine. Well, that's fine.
Achoo! Ow! George! Sorry, I need a tissue. Yeah, hang on. Here, I've got one here. Oh, thanks. Oh, gross. What? You gave me a tissue. Well, yeah, it was actually my blanket. Oh. Well, why did you give me a blanket to wipe my nose with? Well, I was just trying to help. Okay, well, I'm sorry. When my cold goes away, I'll wash it and give it back to you, okay?
Yeah, okay. I hope you get better soon. Yeah, thanks, me too. Oh, here's another one coming. Oh God, okay. Goodbye, see you later. Okay, bye.
Achoo! Oh, where did that blanket go?